No, respectable audience, I have a question. 5 raised to power a plus 5 raised to power a is equal to 100. And we have to find the value of a. So let us start. 5 raised to power a plus 5 for a is equal to 100. So we can write it 5 for a times 1 plus 5 a times 1 is equal to 100. Here we can take common flyer or a. We will get 1 plus 1 is equal to 100. Now, 1 plus 1 is equal to who? Who times 5 a is equal to 100 divided by 2. Divided by 2, we will get 5 for a is equal to 50. Now we will break 50 and we will get 25 times 2. Now 5 for a is equal to 5 squared times 2. Now we will take logarithm on both sides. We will get log 5 raised to 4a is equal to log 5 a square times 2. Now we have a rule, and rule is log base a m times n. We will get log base a n plus log base a n. So apply this rule to right side. We will get a log 5 is equal to log, this is m, so 5 square is m, plus log n is 2. Again, we have a rule, log a for b, it will become b log a. So power will be e log 5 will be equal to 2 log 5 plus log 2. Now we have to divide log 5 on both sides. We will get log 5, and here it is divided by log 5, and it is also divided by log 5. So here is cancellation. So a will be equal to 2. Here is also cancellation, plus log 2 divided by log 5. Now, we will apply a rule here. The rule is log a divided by log b. It will be equal to log a to the base b. So, apply this rule. We will get a is equal to 2 loss log 2, the verify. That is our answer. Now we will verify this answer. So our question is 5 for a plus 5 for a is equal to 100. So 5 raised to power 2 plus log base 5, 2 plus 5 for a. A is 2 plus log base 5, 2 is equal to 100. Now we will get 5 a square time 5 log. Similarly, apply. Here we will get 5 a square times 5 log base 5, 2 will be equal to 100. So phi square is 25, and here we apply a rule. The rule is b log b a. It will be equal to a. So here our answer will be equal to 2. 5 square is equal to 25, and apply this rule, we will get 2. So 50 plus 50 is equal to 100. So 100 is equal to 100. Thank you for watching my video.